Hello, welcome back to Oddball Weather. Today we're going to be going over a couple different subjects, including a winter storm in the southeast to extreme cold entering the U.S. Here we're looking at our NWS Active Alerts map, and what we see straight off the bat is in the dark blue we have our extreme cold warnings, and in the pink and purples in the southeast are our winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories. We will dive right into our NWS snowfall forecast. This map compiles the snow total forecast from each office into one map. Looking here, we can see a good chance of about 4 inches of total snowfall and a line from Houston, Texas for the southern half of Louisiana to southern Mississippi. Places surrounding those areas could see well up to 1 to 3 inches. Moving on, we'll talk about the extreme cold affecting the U.S. this morning and tomorrow. As mentioned while we were looking at the active alerts map, we are currently having some extreme cold warnings in effect for some areas. Looking at this NWS minimum temperatures map for this morning, we can see some areas getting well below the negatives. Some areas possibly could see temperatures dipping into negative 20s in places such as northern Minnesota and most of North Dakota. Looking at tomorrow's low temperatures, we can see a more southern stretch of cold weather where almost the entire lower 48 is below freezing. So make sure you take the necessary precautions and maybe add an extra couple of layers to your clothing. Stay warm. Taking a quick step back to look into next week or two, we have our Climate Prediction Center outlooks. Starting off here with our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, we can see a high chance that the western coast will be below average in temperatures. A few portions of the southeast are expected to have slightly above average temperatures. Other than that, the rest of the U.S. will likely have around average temperatures for the next little bit. And now looking at our 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook, we have two main areas of both dry and wet areas to look at. The first one being an above average area focused on the Four Corners area, stretching into the southeast and then through the Great Lakes area. Secondly, we have an area of drier than usual precipitation totals, mainly over the Pacific Northwest into the Midwest. Finally, I'd like to end it off with this final slide showing the SPC risks for the next 8 days. We're in a long stretch of not a lot of storm activity, so we could expect to see not as much severe weather into the near future. Well, that is all the slides I have for today. Thank you for watching.